The sun beat down on the lush bamboo jungle, its relentless rays piercing through the dense foliage. As we ventured deeper, a breathtaking sight unfolded, the winding Pa-sak River, its waters shimmering under the tropical sky. The serene ambience, a harmonious blend of nature's symphony and the river's gentle murmur, instantly captivated our senses. Inspired by this idyllic setting, we embarked on a journey to design a residence that would coexist harmoniously with its natural surroundings. Our goal was to minimize the building's impact on the land while maximizing its connection to nature. The solution lay in a bifurcated layout, dividing the house into two perpendicular sections. This configuration not only preserved the expansive open spaces but also clearly delineated public and private areas, each offering access to the serene courtyard. The courtyard, a verdant oasis, served as the heart of the residence, connecting the two sections and infusing the entire space with a sense of tranquility. This design approach not only optimized functionality but also celebrated the land's most precious asset, its natural beauty. To further harmonize the architecture with the environment, we embraced a horizontal design language. The parallel lines of the roof and terrace, combined with the generous overhang, created a sense of balance and provided ample shade, making the outdoor spaces usable throughout the day. By scaling down the height of the building and contrasting it with the towering trees, we aimed to integrate the house seamlessly into its lush surroundings. Large-scale glass doors played a crucial role in achieving this design intent. They not only minimized the vertical lines of the building but also offered breathtaking views of the natural landscape, blurring the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. The selection of materials was equally important. We chose natural gray bricks as the primary building material, their earthy tones complementing the surrounding greenery. These bricks not only served as functional dividers but also added a touch of rustic elegance to the interior spaces. For the terrace and external ceiling, we opted for artificial wood, a sustainable and low-maintenance alternative that replicated the beauty of natural wood. In conclusion, the Lomsak Residence embodies our vision of harmonious living. By carefully considering the site's unique characteristics and prioritizing a connection with nature, we have created a space that invites relaxation and rejuvenation. This design philosophy, rooted in simplicity and sustainability, demonstrates that less can indeed be more. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. We'll see you in the next one.